Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about 5 habits of highly successful people. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Highly successful people often share common habits that contribute to their achievements. Here are 6 habits that are frequently observed in successful individuals. Goal setting. Successful people are known for setting clear, specific, and achievable goals. They understand the importance of having a roadmap for their personal and professional lives. Setting goals provides direction and motivation, helping them stay focused and organized. Time management. Effective time management is a crucial habit of successful people. They prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and allocate their time efficiently. This allows them to maximize productivity and make the most of their day. Continuous learning. Successful individuals have a thirst for knowledge and a commitment to continuous learning. This habit helps them adapt to change, stay ahead of the curve, and develop a versatile skill set. Resilience. Success often involves facing challenges and setbacks. Highly successful people demonstrate resilience by learning from failures, staying persistent, and maintaining a positive mindset. They view challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. Networking. Building and maintaining a strong professional network is a common habit among successful individuals. They understand the value of relationships and networking for career advancement and personal development. Networking provides opportunities for collaboration, mentorship, and access to valuable resources. It's important to note that while these habits are commonly associated with successful individuals, success is a subjective concept, and different people may define it in various ways. Adopting these habits, however, can contribute to personal and professional growth. I hope that you like the video and to follow our channel for more career tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.